Right, so this is a follow-up video to the VideoJet 6330 that I said I would have done to give a little more clarity on how the installation was done. The VideoJet 6330 come with the cables, this printer unit, and an HMI. They have a one ribbon cable coming from the bottom of the HMI and the power cable. The ribbon cable will come back to the printing unit, and a grey cable will come from the printing unit that will be used to terminate to your packaging machine or wherever you're going to terminate it to. The power cable for the HMI, you're using a 110, 120 or 230 volts power supply. I use my power from here. I use a 230 power and power the HMI. When you power the HMI, you will take the button, have a power button on the HMI at the bottom. You will just flick power, and once the unit comes on, you know that part of it working properly. Now you take it off, and then you take up power down the machine. Now you're going to deal with the wiring of this grey cable that coming from the printer unit. From this cable we want 4 wires. We want this red wire, this blue wire, this white with black stripe, and this looks like a red, with black stripe. For those 4 wires, we're using these 2 wires here will be for your print. This is a print trigger. So you get your 24 volts here, put it to a 24 volt relay. Now this 24 volt is what you're using to activate your trigger. This 24 volt could come from your PLC, where it's designated for the machine. It could come from a back seal 24 volts or a knife 24 volts. That'll give it the proper timing to print when the film is not pulling, right? So this 24 volts here will come from whatever source you pull in the 24 from. But you use the 24 volts here, put it to pulse this relay, and this is on a normally open circuit. Find the normally open circuit on your relay. When you get the power, here will close and you will get a print. Alright, so once you power up your machine and you start it, it will run. You will see this light come on. Once this light come on, you get a print. Right, this is for the print side. Now for this side of the circuit here, this is where you get faults. This is for the faults to stop the machine. And this is a normally closed circuit that was wired in series with the e-stop, as I'll show you all in part 1 of this video. So there's 2 aspects to this circuit. That the print part here, which is these 2 wires on the relay, and I have this aspect of it which will stop the machine once the printer sees a fault. So when this machine starts, I will just run it and show you all how it's working, how it will stop when it have any faults on the printer, and how the printer printing, and how everything working fine with it. Once you wire it like that, this printer will work just fine.